Hi, I'm Jane. It's good to meet you. Thank you for booking this breastfeeding home visit with me. So I'm glad that we were communicating this morning about what time baby might feed because he looks kind of interested in a feed right now. So I know just come in the door, but let me look at what you've been doing with the breastfeeding. Okay, so what I would say is just sit wherever you usually sit and do whatever you normally do, and let me have a good look at that first before we think about whether we want to change anything. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and do what you'd normally do. Lovely. Have you got them latched on now? Good, that looks great. Okay, so now he's starting to suck. How is it feeling for you? Is it painful for your nipple doing it like that? Okay, no, good. That's good. Okay, that's the most important question is, how's your nipple feeling? Okay, and how do you feel sitting in that position? Is it comfortable? Yeah, you look kind of tense around your shoulders. Maybe lean back a little bit and drop your shoulders. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Is that more comfortable for you? Excellent. Okay, good. Um, and baby doesn't look quite close enough. I wouldn't do anything around his head because he seems latched on all right. Just tuck him closer to your body. Tuck his bottom closer to you a little bit. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Looks closer now. Okay. So the next thing we need to just look at together is baby swallowing. So they can be sucking, obviously, but if they're not swallowing anything, then they're not eating. So what we're looking for is the way that they drop their jaw. So in that position, you could probably see this. So what I'm expecting is when they're sucking, they're kind of going suck, suck, suck. And when they swallow, there's a longer pause and they drop their jaw. So it could be suck, suck, gunk, swallow. Now you're also listening, and there's a very subtle little noise that you get, kind of a k noise. And you can listen for that to tell you if baby's swallowing. So that's so we've covered, so it's not painful for you, that's great. Okay, and you feel a little bit more comfortable sat back, and we know that we can hear baby swallowing, so that's great. That's a really good start for knowing that you're getting your position is and your latch is going well. If you're breastfeeding and you live in the Greater Manchester area and you're having some issues or difficulties or questions, please come and find me at my website www.janegravesibclc.co.uk, and you can book a home visit with me. I charge £125 for 2.5 hours, and in that time we would have opportunity to look at any problems you might be having in depth and answer any of your questions.